fraction exponents have really two parts to it, because the exponent has two parts since it's a fraction, a numerator and the denominator. The numerator of the fraction is a regular exponent, but the denominator of the fraction is like a root. So an exponent of 1/2, like 9 to the 1/2, that's really the same thing as the square root of 9 to the first. Now we know 9 to the first is just 9, and we know we don't really need that little 2 in front of the radical, because if there's no number, we assume it's square root. But anyways, you can reduce this. The square root of 9 is 3. So a exponent of 1/2 is really the same thing as square root. Exponent of 1/3 is the same thing as cubed root. And we know we do need to write the 3 that time. And the cubed root of 8 is 2. When your fraction is not a 1 for the numerator, you do want to first think about the denominator. So looking at 25 to the 3/2, or 3 over 2, the denominator is 2. So I'm going to think of it as square root of 25, and I want to think of that first, and then whatever that is to the third, because that's the numerator. And so you want to do the denominator of your fraction first as a root, get an answer, and then the numerator as your fraction exponent as just a regular old exponent. So I know square root of 25 is 5, and 5 to the third is 125. 27 to the 2/3. First, I'm going to do the third on the bottom as a root, so cubed root of 27. And then the numerator of the fraction is 2, so I'll do that last as a regular exponent squared. Cubed root of 27 is 3, and then that squared is 9. Now, negative exponents have that property that before I even worry about what the exponent is, I need to make that a positive exponent, so it's going to be 1 over 8 to the 2/3. That's going to be 1 over the cubed root of 8 squared. 1 over the cubed root of 8 is 2 squared. 1 over 4.